In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text box in Power BI. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Power BI on your computer. When the app loads, you'll see the report canvas. This is the main workspace where you arrange visuals, shapes, and text. Everything we do today happens right here on this canvas, so keep it centered on your screen for a clear view. Next, open a report you want to work with. You can use an existing .p/x file or any report you've already built. Once it's open, make sure you're on the page where you want the text to appear. Moving a text box is a canvas action, so you'll need to be on the correct page before you position it. Now click the Home tab at the top. The Home tab is where you'll find quick access tools, including the option to add a text box. Keeping your eyes on this ribbon will make it easy to insert and format your text without digging through menus. Click on a text box in your report. If you already have one, simply select it so that the selection handles appear around the edges. If you don't see a text box yet, use the Text Box button on the Home tab to place one on the canvas. Then click to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles that let you resize. Go ahead and add your text. Click inside the box and type your title, note, or any explanatory content you need. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the formatting options that appear when the text box is active. Keep your text concise and readable so it complements your visuals rather than distracting from them. With the text in place, click and drag the text box to a new position. Move your cursor to the body of the text box, press and hold the mouse button, and glide it to where you want it on the canvas. As you drag, look for alignment guides that help you line up the text with other visuals. Release the mouse to drop it into position. If you need fine adjustments, select the text box and use your arrow keys to nudge it a few pixels at a time for precise placement. That's it. Open Power BI, open your report, confirm you're on Home, select your text box, add your text, and drag it to where it belongs. A well-placed text box can clarify your insights, add context, and make your report feel polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Power BI.